So we are going to clean the eavestrough in the entire house. That is a very general job, but it's very necessary to do this. And we are gonna after we clean, we're gonna recaulk the corners. We're gonna remove all the old caulking, and we're gonna use a heat gun to do that. And then we're gonna put fresh caulking so it's not gonna leak. Then we are gonna install brackets all over the house and hammer all the nails, because you can see all the nails are popping out. Here's an example. See this nail right there? Okay. So that will secure all the eavestrough, so it's back to the original position, and then it's going to be secured. Then we're gonna install LeafGuards on the entire house, because you see all these kind of trees here. Very beautiful area, but it's causing issues for the flow of the water. So now I'm on the top of the ladder. You can see this is the ladder. So just showing you everything is dirty. We're gonna clean it. We're gonna hammer those nails, and we're gonna install LeafGuards. I'll show you later the process and the results. Okay, now I'm showing you the before, the recaulking I'm gonna do. So see, all the caulking is gone, and also this corner. I'll show you after. See, we're going this way. I'll show you, or we already put the brackets. This actually is the brackets right there, and we put LeafGuards all the way to the end. Here I did the caulking. This is the corners. Okay, so this is what we use today. This is the LeafGuards we sell, we install. I like this very much. It's very easy to install, and they are very effective. They're aluminum. So this is what I like to use. This is a Canadian product. Second, this is the caulking I use. It's very good, one of the best. And this is the brackets I use to secure the eavestrough. Also one of the best products, Canadian products. So this is gutter fix. We are located in Aurora, but we are serving the surrounding area. So call us, don't be shy. We give free estimates. Enjoy the video. Bye bye.